guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. So today we're on Route 9. We just passed the Homestead Colgate Park on your left, and that was beautiful. We didn't get a chance to go in and see it because of time constraints, but we're headed out towards Bennington, Vermont. Very beautiful town. You guys have probably seen some of our past videos on this, one of our past videos that is, and it was so beautiful that time we decided to come back out. There was a lot going on, so let's go in and check out the town of Bennington. As you see, we just passed the Old First Church here in Bennington. Beautiful church, not too familiar with it, but you can definitely go online and take a look at that. We're going to go down a little bit more, and we're going to see the Bennington Museum. We ended up going to see the Battle Monument of Bennington, which is up on the Old Bennington Way. But yeah, we're definitely coming back here to check out this museum. Looks pretty cool. As you can see, as we're coming into downtown Bennington, there's a lot of things going on, a lot of festivities, a lot of people out, great vibes. You can smell the food everywhere. You can smell a lot of garlic, which is interesting because they call this Garlic Town. I think it's on Labor Day weekend every year. I think it's on the Saturday of that weekend, but great vibes. Let's go check out some more stuff.